everybody, it's Miss Kristen, here to teach you guys how to make Nickelodeon slime. Because the slime on Nickelodeon was always being poured on people, it's all made out of food. So this recipe is completely edible. You can eat any of it. So let's get started. Alright, our first ingredient is we need 2 cups of oatmeal. So I made some just quick instant oatmeal. And I'm gonna measure out 2 cups, and that's our first step. All right, so 2 cups of ooey gooey oatmeal. Next, we are going to add some vanilla pudding. All right, so the next thing you need is 4 cups of pudding. I'm not gonna make that much pudding, so I just bought some individual puddings to pour together to make us have 4 cups of pudding. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, I'm gonna pour my last cup of pudding in. As I was pouring in each cup, I was making sure I was stirring it good in between. So now it's getting nice and gooey and pourable. But we're not done yet. We have one more ingredient to add, and that is 3 cups of applesauce. So we'll do that. 1, and give it a good stir. Oh. 2. Gonna fill up the last cup. Okay. Give this a good stir. Oh, it's pretty gross. It's pretty gross. All right, 1 more. That's 3. All right. Oh yeah, this is gonna make a huge mess. So if you were listening to me describe how to make this, you might be like, this doesn't look like slime. And that's right, I forgot one more ingredient we need, and that is green food coloring. So if you have the drop version, put a couple drops in. This is the gel, so I'm gonna just put, there you go, a little bit. And then we're gonna start stirring and see how it comes out. Oh yeah, we're gonna need to add more. More food coloring to this. Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna make it green. So I added a bit more food coloring to it to make it a little bit more green. So yeah, this is how you'll make some original Nickelodeon slime, which is 100% safe to eat. Should we try it? Actually, it's pretty good. I don't know if I'd eat a bowl this big, but I definitely would eat this. It's pretty yummy. Now I made this giant bucket of slime. What can we do with it? I have an idea. All right, here we go.
Do I count down or just do it?
Just do it! Thanks for watching, kids. So that was how to make Nickelodeon slime. Something kind of fun, something kind of gross, and pretty tasty actually. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.